This I really mean. Your gas tank's empty. Won't hold gas gasoline. Your windshield, it is broken. It ain't worth a cent. Your steering wheel is wobbly.